Here we have a proof that 2 is equal to 1. Let's go through the proof step by step. We start with A being equal to B. If A is equal to B, then A squared is equal to A times B. All we have done at that stage is multiply both sides by A. The next stage is to say that A squared minus B squared is AB minus B squared. All we have done at that stage is subtract B squared from both sides. Now we're going to factorize both sides. On the left-hand side, we use the difference of two squares, and on the right-hand side, we factorize out the common term of b. Now we can divide through by a minus b on both sides. Leaving us with a plus b on the left and b on the right. Now, because a is equal to b, which we said at the beginning, a plus b is equal to 2b. And finally, we're left with 2b equals b, so dividing by b, we get left with 2 equals 1. So 2 is equal to 1. So what is wrong with this proof? Have you spotted the step where it went wrong? So the step where everything went wrong in this proof was this one here. And the reason for it going wrong is when we divide by a minus b is actually equal to 0 because a is equal to b. So in this step we are dividing by 0, which we know is not something that we can do. And when we try to divide by 0, strange things can happen with the algebra. So this is something to be aware of in your own working, that you never have a scenario where you're accidentally dividing by 0, which can lead to logical fallacies, even in what looks like a perfectly good proof.